Hello and welcome to this review of the LED cover from Samsung for the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. Both versions of this case are exactly the same, with only an increase in size for the bigger phone. The LED flip wallet cover has become one of Samsung's standout official cases in recent years, mainly thanks to its sharp looks, decent protection provided, and of course the extremely cool built-in retro notification system. With a subtle redesign, the LED cover may not look radically different from previous years, but I must say these small refinements really add up to make this the best LED cover Samsung have ever produced. The change in material is a definite improvement in my opinion. Gone is the tired leather effect of old, replaced with a much more sophisticated woven fabric feel. This adds a nice texture to the case, creating more grip and a very stylish look. The LED cover comes in three distinct colours for both the S9 and the S9 Plus that when applied look absolutely incredible on, adding a nice burst of colour which can be used to match your phone or simply jazz it up. Probably the best thing about the LED cover is how easy it is to set up. Literally place your S9 or S9 Plus into the case, close the front cover, and you'll instantly begin seeing retro notifications that will delight you and your friends alike. This means no painstaking setup windows and messing around with Bluetooth in order to get it to work, which is always a good thing. Once on, the case will keep you informed of the time as well as incoming texts and calls, something that's extremely handy when you want to stay notified without having to open the front cover. While the notifications may look the same as previous iterations of the LED cover, they have had a little 21st century update with the addition of some colour as seen during the incoming call. You can still answer and reject incoming calls without having to open the front cover with a simple swipe, as well as assigning out icons to your favourite contacts. Another smart feature is the cover's sleep wake functionality. By simply opening the front cover you can instantly wake your phone, and by closing it send it to sleep, saving you precious battery life and the hassle of having to reach for the power button. Not just a smart case, the LED cover is also a highly functional everyday case too. The overall look and feel is extremely sharp, with the smooth fabric texture very professional. Internally you'll notice a robust plastic frame which keeps your phone securely in place at all times. While this isn't the most rugged case on the market, the full coverage combined with the internal frame does provide some significant protection against minor drops and scuffs which can occur on a daily basis. The everyday essential features don't stop there, as the case also includes a handy internal card slot that makes carrying around your most important credit or debit card extremely easy. The slim and stylish design also enables Samsung's impressive features to work flawlessly. Once attached, the LED cover will still allow you to utilise wireless fast charging, so you can enjoy the most convenient charging method while you keep your phone protected. If you would like to know more about these cases, then I'll be leaving a link in the description, and if you would like to purchase one of these fantastic covers for both the S9 and the S9 Plus, then I'll be leaving links in the comments below.